Hello everybody, this is David Blair, the Crosshairs Trader. I thank you for joining me on this, the 23rd day of November 2010. I simply want to go quickly through the major indices and take a look at what's going on. Again, I've mentioned this in the last few days. We're in an area of consolidation. Wouldn't surprise me to see us retest that bottom. Also, we're in a market that I call the Lego market, which simply means that we're going to have some big down days and up days and then dojis and down days and up days. That's what consolidation is. As the market, just like we did back in April of this year, consolidates after a nice big run, that is what's going on right now in our market. And that's all that matters, is what's going on right now in the present. We do have some major moving averages that could be lending support in our markets. And we take a look at the weekly chart. This is, by the way, the S&P futures. We can see we're coming back to test a major moving average on the weekly chart. And here's our highs for the year. We broke through them just for a few days and then broke back down. So there has been a test, and right now we're failing that test on the weekly chart, but you can see those moving averages on my daily chart that I have superimposed here, that we're at an area of possible support. But again, I'm one that does not believe, when we've had a nice correction back down to what us crosshairs traders call home, our green line, which we needed based on candle count, which we understand. When you see that candle count get real high, we usually have a nice correction back down toward our green line, and that green line right now is acting as an area of consolidation. So now that we've pulled back, we're waiting for this consolidation to see if it's going to be a continued move higher, or could it be what we had back in the spring, where we fight for a while and then head back down? You know what? The market is fluid, very volatile at times, and the market can do whatever it wants to do regardless of news. It's all about where money wants to go. So by looking at this and looking at our NASDAQ futures, again, area of consolidation going on with a strong pullback correction. I do not believe that the market just simply bounces and goes right back up. Instead, it does that when our candle count is low. Our candle count has gotten high, came back. It's not going to simply go straight back up. More consolidation is due. In fact, I'm welcoming it. Dow, same way. Consolidation right above some major moving averages, and the highs here from the spring. OEX hit a major resistance on price and moving average here. Those who think they can find bottoms and tops get killed in this kind of market until the market tells us where that is. Okay? Just because we had a bounce here doesn't mean we're going straight back up. Because of the correction, we're going to have more of a sideways move until the market decides what it wants to do. So, in saying all that, we know that individual stock trades are going to play along the same lines. There's going to be some that are going to move higher significantly, quickly. LULU, that us crosshairs traders have been following, and in our simulated account we have purchased. We're up almost 100% on the January options on LULU. Probably going to have to get rid of them maybe today, not get too greedy. Costco still sitting at an area of consolidation. We're still watching that. We're flat on that one. And FISV, that I mentioned yesterday in our video, is trying to break out. But we'll have to watch. The general market's going to determine where most of these are going to go. And we simply have to watch our stop loss limits, take profits when they're made available to us, and stay out of the market when it's not a good time to be in. That's how we trade. We are focused, patient, and disciplined as Crosshairs traders because we know our behavior and our emotions matter more than any kind of indicator. Join me anytime you wish at my website, crosshairstrader.com. Join up, receive my blog post. You can do that via Twitter, email, RSS feed, or if you'd like to join one of my private webinars, contact me at david@thecrosshairstrader.com. Have a wonderful day, both in and outside the charts.